Hi friends, good evening and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And as I said, it's evening time and it's 6:25 and now I'm going to a mall to meet my friend. So now I'm going out, but wait, I'm showing you my today's outfit. It's my today's outfit. I'm wearing this orange t-shirt with this denim and a pair of sneakers. This a sling bag, cross bag. So let's go.
After returning at home, I took some rest. Then I did editing for one of my video. Having some water. Ooh, and doing stretching. This was our today's lunch. I have cooked it in the afternoon. Very easy to cook and really yummy to have it.
Hi guys, just I have taken a shower till my hair is wet, and after yesterday night now I'm vlogging. Guys, did you see my last video? That was on festive makeup look part 2, and if not then please go and watch that video and please comment me. And guys, if you like my videos then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos with all of your friends, and you can follow me guys on Facebook and Instagram. Today I'll share my basic morning skincare routine. So guys, let's start it. As I said few minutes back, I have taken a shower. So on my clean face now I'll apply this WOW aloe vera gel. It's 99% pure. This is an amazing product guys. See, a big pimple on my cheek. I'll massage it until it fully absorbed. And now I'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes. After that I'll wipe it out. Then I'll apply my day and sunscreen. So in between I can apply my body lotion. So for that I'll use WOW aloe vera body lotion. I showed you this product guys on my last haul video. Probably aloe vera is super good for our skin and our hair. So I have to use please stay tuned for that. Guys, 15 minutes is over and now I'll wipe it out. So for that I'll take this cotton pad and this Goodbye Rose Glow Toner. You can use normal water as well. I'm using this one. Now I'll apply Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. As I have acne prone skin, so I prefer to use 1 drop of tea tree oil in it. And now I'll apply it on my face and neck. Now after 5 minutes I'll apply sunscreen. It's a must. I'm using this sunscreen. And now I'll apply lip balm, and today I'll use this Vaseline. That's it, and now I'm good to go. I'm keeping this vlog small, so I have to end this vlog here. And guys, I'll come with a new vlog. So till then, stay happy and blessed. Love you all. Bye bye. Bye.